So maybe you're like me and you feel like your house is being overrun by these plastic grocery bags. I seriously feel like bags are always all over my house. I decided to do an experiment and buy some of these reusable grocery bags by Be Green. And I happen to love this green color. And it came with 20 bags, which I have no idea when I'll ever use 20 bags grocery shopping, but they fold down to these really convenient like little bags, and then I can slip these into my purse. And so you can either fold them up like this into the little pocket, or you can also roll them up and then put the little elastic around them. You just lay the bag out flat, that little pocket opening on top, and then bring the outside edge, fold it in once, fold it in twice. Bring the other side, fold it in once, fold it in twice. You want it to be slightly narrower than the width of the bag. Bring the handles down, and then bring this top in, fold it in once, fold it in twice, and then to get this down inside the bag, just kind of like bend this in half like that. Poke it in, and then it'll just kind of flatten itself out, and then it's nice and neat in the little bag. And the second way to do it is to use the little elastic loop that comes with it. So to do that, we're going to open the bag up, let that loop spin out, and again we'll just fold once, fold twice, fold once, fold twice. Handles in, roll it up, pull out the little tab, and just wrap that around real quick. So I'm going to take them to the store and see how they work and see if this is a better alternative to having all these plastic bags. Okay, so I'm bringing 5 bags. I'll bring 3 that are folded up into like the little bag that's included.
My finger's in the way.
Oh. So I'm gonna bring 5 bags with me. I'll bring 3 that are folded up into like the little pockets, and I'll bring 2 that I rolled up just with the little elastic. And so I'm just gonna drop them in my purse, and hopefully I don't look like a weirdo going to the store, but at least I'll know I'm being eco-friendly and saving the planet, or at least reducing it by a few grocery bags. Overall, I have to say it was a really good experience using these reusable bags at the store. I wasn't sure how it would work with putting them onto the little bag holders for the little plastic bags, but I found that it really wasn't too bad. You kind of like put the handle over the frame and then they stayed in place. I was really impressed with how many items I was able to fit inside the bag. So just in these 5 bags, it probably would have taken me at least double that in the plastic bags. And they're deeper than the regular bags, which I really like. So I have to say, I'm a fan, and it also is kind of fun knowing that I'm being eco-friendly and that I'm not bringing more of those plastic grocery bags into my house. Although we do use them as our trash can liners, so I probably need to get a few just to use for those. But these are a keeper. Okay, now where are my minions to help me put all of this away? Hey kids, time to put groceries away. They say we never have food in the house, but you now have proof. Yes, we have food in the house.